Welcome to channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the health benefits of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice offers several health benefits. Number one, rich in vitamin C. Pineapple juice is a good source of vitamin C, which supports immune function and helps protect against infection and illness. Next is anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple juice. Bromelain. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple juice, has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Number third, digestive health. Bromelain also aids in digestion by breaking down proteins, potentially reducing bloating and improve overall digestive function. The health benefits of pineapple. Use pineapple juice in your daily routine. Number 4, hydration. Pineapple juice high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated and supports various bodily functions. Number 5, bone health. Pineapple juice contains manganese, a mineral important for bone health and the formation of connective tissue. Bundle of benefits for pineapple juice. Next is antioxidant power. Pineapple juice contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta carotene, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The next is skin health. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in pineapples pineapple juice may help promote skin health by reducing oxidative damage, support collagen production, and improve skin elasticity. Pineapples are very beneficial for your skin. Eye health. Pineapple juice contains a beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body and important for maintaining healthy vision. If you want to improve your vision, use pineapple juice in your daily diet. Next is anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggested that antioxidants and compounds found in pineapple juice may have anti-cancer properties and reduce the risk of certain type of cancer. The number 10, weight management. If you want to reduce weight or weight management, use pineapple juice on daily basis. Pineapple juice is low in calories and fat, making it a refreshing and nutritious option for those looking to manage their weight and stay hydrated. Enjoying pineapple juice in moderation as a part of balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. Use pineapple juice in your daily diet, in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The bundle of benefits of pineapple juice. A very delicious superfood. And watch my channel Passion Food and Health. Thank you very much.